Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are a new here. I am Kishore, and today's video we are going to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to set up Jenkins inside a Docker container, build a Java project with Maven, and push it to GitHub. Whether you are a DevOps enthusiast, this video will walk you through the whole process from setting up virtual machine to configuring Jenkins for continuous integration and automating your Java build projects. Now here first step, I am going to initiate as a now I am going to choose a first step AWS EC2 instance, and I will show you how to create EC2 instance and how to connect with EC2 instance in the VS Code. And next I am going to build a Jenkins server by running the Docker containers. And Git and Maven installations I will do in the for Jenkins. And next step, we are going to build the applications by writing the Java file. Now I'm going to step one. Here you can able to see I'm diving into the AWS. Now I'm going to install the EC2 instance. Click on launch instance. I'm going to give as a name DevOps. I'm choosing the Ubuntu server here. Number of instance we have given one only and keep it like that. And create a new key pair. I'm giving the DevOps. You can create a new page. Defaultly, I'm giving a same and click on launch instance. Now it's going to download the gem file is completed and it's going to install the server. It is now just installed. I'm clicking on install instances. You can able to see here DevOps. Now it is running. I'm copying the public IP. So before copying the public IP, I have gem file in my downloads folder. I am moving that file into the SSH. User, I have the SSH. Now I am pasting here. Now PEM file is there in my Excel. I'm going to open VS Code, copying the public IP, and this is the my configuration file. I'm going to change the IP address, and PEM file also I should change here. DevOps.pem. Now I'm saving the file. I want to install. I want to connect to the host. My host is my EC2 instance. Now it's going to establish the connection to my EC2 instance and continue. Now it's downloading server, opening remote, opening the terminal. First we will do for the coding part. I'm going to create a mkdir hello world I'm giving. Now I'm changing the directory hello world. Next I'm going to create a Java file. mkdir -c src/main/ java/com/example. I'm giving this path of the my Jenkins file. Now I'm going to create a file nano src hello world.java I'm giving. Now already I have the file and I'm copying that file information. This is my hello world file and I'm copying this file, saving this file. Now I want to see the information of the Java file. This is my file and now I want to generate a form file. Nano form.xml. Just now I'm going to copy this file to save the time. File is available here. I'm saving the file now. So I can able to see the information of the form.xml file. Now I want to create a repository in GitHub. First directly we will do in remote only. First I'm going to initialize the Git. Now it is an empty directory. On the Git remote, I'm to add organ. Want to know my Git URL. I want to know my Git URL. Is my Git URL. Next, I need to give the repository name as the DevOps and the dot Git. I should give that. Now I want to see the Git here dot. Next, I'm going to check the status. Now I am using the Git commit. Now I want to push that file. Git push -u organ main I am giving. From state. Refers to the DevOps certificate. I want to check the Git remote. Okay, I will configure that. It's here. I will configure git config command. I'm going to check config isolation global map. CP command. On global. In the my git repo name, not git repo, hub name. And to change the mail also. as a repository. It pushed main. Main does not match any. You will check the master. Repository not found. I'm going to create a DevOps repository now. Now I'm going to put the file again. Yeah, now it is put. You can able to see the information with DevOps. As this is the information. Next, I'm going to install the data. So I'm going to installation Docker. Now we can see this documentation. Just I'm copying and installing. I'm doing very fast because video is going to long. I added this key. It is a secure key for the Docker. Giving the enter to continue. Enterprise, community enterprise, and using here. These are the packages. Now I'm going to install this data. Click to install. Now it's installing the Docker. Just now it's going to finish. It's taking time to install the Docker. It's completed. Now we'll check the status of the Docker. Is it running and the Docker service also enabled? Not wrong. Next, I want to run the Jenkins as a container. I'm going to use the commands docker run command, docker run -e. Yeah, I think we need to give the detached mode. -c I'm giving the 8000 for the Jenkins port. 8080. Sorry, mistakenly. For local port, I'm giving the 60,000. I'm using the V airports. I want to use present working directory /Jenkins. Again, we need to do the phone. And we need to give the name of the Jenkins server. I'm giving the Jenkins here. And this is the package, image from the Docker container. Permission denied is giving the permission denied. Okay, we'll check the groups. Don't have the Docker group. So we need to create a Docker group. I'm going to use I'm going to add a user to user mode if1 AB. So we will check the group. It will not be available. So we need to create a group, new group, Docker. So we will check the groups now. So we have the Docker. So I'm going to install the Docker again. Yeah, now it's running the Jenkins. Now it's installing the Jenkins image. So we will check the Docker PS. So we don't have the container, Jenkins container. We need to see the log, Docker logs, Jenkins. Missing read write permissions for the Jenkins log. So I'm giving the permission for the Jenkins. Sudo ch owner. I'm giving the present working directory of the Jenkins home directory. Now I have given the permission. So I'm changing the name of the Jenkins. I'm giving the new. I will check the Docker PS. Container is there. So it is already up. It is already up. So we can see in the browser. DevOps server. I'm copying the public IP. Jenkins port. I have given the 8080. So it's not working. So I want to check the security inbound rules. Selecting the security group. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. I'm using the Alt-C and CODR 0 included. So now I will refresh. Now it's opening the Jenkins. So I want to know the password of the Jenkins. So I'm going to install inside the Docker container. Docker execc -it. I'm giving the Jenkins new. This is the name what we have the container. I'm giving it dash. Able to see the container. First we will check what are the files available in the Docker container. So we have the all files are there. So cd /var Jenkins, no? We'll see what is the files are there. Now we'll go to secret. I'm going to increase the font size. That I'm choosing the initial admin password. This is the password of the Jenkins server. I'm copying this and pasting in the Jenkins. Clicking on enter. It's going to install the registered plugins. Or it is installing and we can able to see every information. Here I'm giving the password. And save and continue. This is my Jenkins URL. I'm clicking on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Click on new item. I'm giving the DevOps. Click on OK. Going to choose a source code tool as a kit. You don't have any information. So I'm going to configure the Git with Jenkins. Jenkins credentials, choose global, add in some credentials. I'm choosing the username and password. Username is Git. I'm choosing here. Password we need to choose again that key. So I'm choosing developer settings in the GitHub. Personal access token. To generate a new key as a classic. I'm giving the DevOps. I'm choosing the DevOps here. Expiration I'm giving 7 days. I'm selecting the report here. So next generate token. So it's generated a token. I'm copying this token and saving in somewhere for the future purpose. That key I'm presenting here and create how it will be this key authentication happened with Jenkins. I'm going to see my jobs, clicking on DevOps and configure source code management using Git. Here I can able to see the Git. Now I want to see my URL. And Git repository URL. I'm clicking something and now it's it. And next in master branch only I have the information available. Click on add build step, execute shell, mvn clean install. I'm giving only 2 commands. Click on save. It will now. I have clicked 2 times. Okay, we don't have the Maven. And I am going to install the Maven inside the container. I want I want the root access of my container. Docker exec, we need to give as a root -u it Jenkins new. I'm giving here bash. So now I am inside the container of the Jenkins. So I want to install the Maven and Git. First I am going to update the server. Fpt from there, right? I was updating the container. Maven. Now it's installing the Maven. Now it's installing the Maven. Same way we will install the Git also. Check the Maven version. The Maven is installed, and we will check the Git also. To open the Jenkins. I'm logging now here. And we will go again to DevOps job. We will see to build again. Now click on build now. You can able to see now it is in success. You can able to see the output. Now build is completed. And you can able to see the success. And you can able to see the jar of follow. Next here we will go to webhook and we will do some changes. Click on DevOps. Click on here configure. Here. In the build triggers, git hook will be there. Going to save here after closing the hook. Means once we push any data into repository, automatically it will build that pipeline. And copying the Jenkins IP address and I'm opening the GitHub repository. It is my DevOps repository. So I'm going to click on settings. Here webhook option will be there. Here it's there. Click on add webhook. Is in the Jenkins URL. GitHub open webhook I'm giving. I'm choosing as a default. Click on add webhook. Now this hook has never been triggered. Now we will do some changes. I'm going to exit from the container. So I'm moving to the my hello world directory. I want to change some files in the source directory. Now src main Java from example. Yeah, in this file, I will change some information. Here I have the hello one. So I'm choosing Hello Kishore. In this file, now we will see the git add, git commit. Now I will do push, git push -u origin master. So once this pushes has been published into the GitHub repository, automatically pipeline should be created. Now it is pushed, we will check how only it is pushed. So here I'm going to see the refresh. Now you can able to see here. You can able to see here. It's telling it is in failed. Here we will debug the information why it is going to fail. So one error. Yeah, here Java. Okay, we need to give a class. I'm going to choose. I'm going to change again this file. Here I is there. So in this file we have a mistake. We'll see in the Git repository. Here I package is there. That is the mistake. Unfortunately, we have given I inside the package. I'm saving the file. I'm choosing the git add within it, not within it, sorry. With second two I am doing git push. Now it's pushed that file. Now it is pushed that file to GitHub repository. We will refresh it. Just now only pushed and we will see the file. So we can able to see the build file. So it is in success state. So this is the result of the webhook. Once developer pushed changes into GitHub, automatically build will be happen. Thank you. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.